Everyone, please help me introduce Ronnie Renner. Ronnie is a 10-time gold medal at the X Games. He's been riding freestyle motocross for over 20 years. Ronnie's a proud father of 4 and loves working on the tools of the trade. So help me welcome Ronnie.
Principal didn't see that, did they?
You know, joining the Tools for the Trades team with Northern Tools and Equipment, with ESAB, it's something I never imagined happening, first of all.
Welding class has been a lot of fun. It's been a way to really get creative and have some fun within my day.
My dream job would be pipeline welding, but I'm probably going to end up going with construction.
You know, we've noticed in Tools of Trades that there is a great need for this industry to grow. Right now, in this next year, the 50,000 welding jobs will be open. With that, we need to fill those jobs and partner with these schools that can help foster, teach, and educate people to hopefully fill and find great careers in the skilled trades.
I got interested into welding because I saw that it's just a good trait to have, and not many people want to do it nowadays.
It's cool to put trades on the map as something that is important. And a lot of people in the trades field, they take a lot of pride in their work, and that's much needed. So with motocross, your efforts are really shown with your results are on the track. In the trades, which I'm also implementing into my program, you don't really see that side, but it is equally as important.
All I got to say to Northern Tool and ESAB is just thank you so much, and we're so blessed to have all this equipment.
We're just a little speechless, to be honest. The fact that the Tools for the Trades program picks their schools across the country, and we ended up being one of them to highlight, that's just an honor for us to be able to bring in this program and highlight our students of things that we want to do and have them exposed to all these great things in the future.
Welding as a career can open up a lot of doors for the students and open a lot of potential for them in their careers going forward.